I love the porcelain. I love it. I live with it every day, see it every day, walk on it almost every day. Timeless. You know, the style lasts, the look looks the same as the day I installed it. The feel of it makes it a real true indoor-outdoor product. So you can, walk outside barefoot or with your socks on and feel like you're indoors, literally. And that's a big selling point. That's what people want. They want something comfortable that looks good, easy to maintain. Just kind of hose off the residue from Mother Nature, and it just looks brand new every year. My name is Christopher Bianciella. I own K&C Land Design and Construction. I first started 30 years ago. The biggest thing that was added to backyards was maybe you built a patio for someone and you incorporated a fire pit. The outdoor living trend came where it was big out in the West Coast where the weather's good all the time. Around here it was, a big thing to do in a backyard is put a pool with a patio, maybe a deck. But then the trend kind of moved east. People wanted to spend more time outside, so the amenities of outdoor kitchens became popular. Items that brought people outdoors and let them spend time comfortably outdoors. Maybe not even for one season. Maybe it was more, turned into maybe a spring and a fall, so you can do other things besides swim. Enjoy a fire in the fall or fireplaces. And all these indoor attributes became very popular outdoors. I've used porcelain since it started being available. Maybe 10 years ago. I can't even think of the time frame. You need someone like NT Trading. They provide that invaluable service to see what's available in the world and then bring that here. I think NT Trading is ahead of mostly everybody with bringing in an innovative material. I think they have the market on that. So what sets NT Pavers apart from everybody is the availability to do what we need done. I don't think I've ever heard the word no when I needed something fabricated, custom sizes, custom finishes in a timely fashion. The company provides that availability for you to understand, first of all, what you need, and then to get it done. So they speak the language as far as service. The quality of the material is probably the best in the industry. The products that we use from NT Pavers, I find last forever, if not the longest, if not forever. Very, very happy with that product that I live with every day. So I installed the porcelain pavers in my own house. I find that being as exterior, it is not slippery at all. I installed it also with other clients, which is always a big concern. And I always go right back to my example of I live with that porcelain, walking barefoot. We have a hot tub, water, wet conditions, no problem at all. It's not slippery. In fact, it's opposite. It doesn't get hot, which is a big selling point. Walking around outside, you want to be very, very comfortable. When I work with NT Pavers, normally bring the client to the showroom. And honestly, when we show up at their facility, there's always someone to kind of guide us through what material's available, what's coming in, what's out of stock. Having all the products kind of available to see at once in one spot, easy to put things together. You can put the palette together and show the client. A lot of people can't make up their mind, but it's easy to show them, and when they can visualize it, all questions are answered. You need someone like NT Trading. They provide that invaluable service to see what's available in the world and then bring that here. A company that can provide that for you, then it works. It makes it very easy to sell or design for and sell and install that material. Having someone bring those choices for you. A company like NT Pavers brought that to life, made it marketable for us on the ground, and then of course made it easy to display it and design for it, sell it, and install it. So I think one of the best things that NT Trading did was to provide a mobile showroom. I've used it many times myself. My clients, or most clients, can visualize. I can talk up a material, how beautiful it is, all I want, show them a picture, but if they can't see it, touch it, pick it up, walk on it, it doesn't mean much to them. So I've had a number of people been impressed with that level of service, that, you know, wow, you made it easy for me. Wow, this is great. I could see everything. Those are the comments that we get. Very specific client looking for a specific look. And we sourced everything, pretty much everything from NT Trading. It was as a Affion Ice. It was a marble project, very white, marbly looking overall feel is what the client was after. So we were able to get pretty much all the products, the wall veneer, patio, the pool coping, fireplace amenities, things like that. Everything from NT Pavers, and source everything and then install everything. And everything just works. You know, you buy all the products the right way from the right person, and everything kind of just works together very well. The biggest advice is to keep up with products, keep up with the new styles, colors, textures, materials. Another big advantage, not only the wide variety of material and what NT Pavers can do with their material, but they make it easier, the logistical part, as far as getting material to the job. You call them, you put the order in, they fabricate, or they'll assemble your order, and they'll bring it to your project curbside, you know, with the lift gate, or however you can unload it yourself. But it makes it so much easier to bring, you know, have things just delivered, shown up, and then we can start to work.